Guys, today we're blending lifestyle and tech in the shape of a very cool nanotube heated blanket. Nanotube heated blanket, eh? I know, you're thinking, why do I need a heated blanket, right? Well, you know what? Winter is coming and the temperatures are dropping, and sometimes you just want a little cozy heat and don't want to put the heating on everywhere. And this, oh, it's in a big box. Electrically heated blanket has got some pretty cool technology that sets it apart. So let's dive in and see if it's worth your money. Back in a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, drag this big box over again, is the Carbon Nano heated electric blanket from Jartoo. And you know what? They describe this blanket as sun-kissed warmth. Yeah, nice, eh? They say it's the safest, coziest and healthiest heated blanket and the world's first far infrared heated blanket following full Aero Carbon Nanotube Technology. Now, this is some breakthrough tech, and they are now live on Kickstarter, and big box, you can grab one of these at an early bird price of just $159. Now guys, before we get into it, Jartoo sent me this heated blanket to review. I'm not getting the box back up again. To review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, indifferent. So let's get this out of this rather large box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and we've got some instructions. Now we've also got a power adapter, which is actually a 100-watt GAN power adapter, and we all know about GAN, and if you don't, I'll just leave me a comment and I'll do some explanation in the comments. But this comes with this 100-watt GAN power adapter to power up the blanket. You also get a rather nice remote control, and I've got to say, this is pretty premium quality. It's got like it's got like a digital display, an LED display on the front as well. I mean, it's a bit of kit, feels really nice in the hand. And guys, you get the blanket itself, which is in this nice velvet carry bag. A lot easier than, carrying that box around, right? And it's also got some writing on the back that says Apalos, which is trademarked, Flex HT, and this is a kind of heating technology. So from labs to life. So nice little bag there. Now guys, looking at the blanket itself, well, I've got to say, it's pretty big and it's nice. It's a nice material. Quite nice. It's a nice material. It's really soft. No static, like you get static from kind of man-made fibers sometimes, but you know what, this material is incredibly soft on both sides, and it's kind of thicker than most of the heated blankets I've seen, and the stitching quality is pretty damn fine. So you know what, no loose threads anywhere. You know, like sometimes you take these things out of the bag, threads flying around everywhere and all the rest of it, but you know what, with this, absolutely nothing. Sorry, I'm quite liking this. So anyway, even without the heating feature, do you know what? This would make a pretty great regular blanket. Now guys, for the interesting part, and that's how it heats up. So instead of traditional wires, it uses something called nanotube technology, like I already said, and this means that the heat spreads evenly across the whole blanket. No more cold spots like you get with like regular heated blankets and even heated apparel. I've, reviewed a lot of heated waistcoats and jackets and stuff like that, and you know what, you always get like these cold spots, but you know what, this is actually warm all the way through, so pretty cool. Now, setting this up was a breeze. There's a hidden zip near the tag in the blanket, and this is where you're going to find the connection for the power cord. You just plug it in, and you know what, you're good to go. And the controls are really simple. There's a power button right on the blanket corner, and this lights up blue when it's turned on, so you know it's on, apart from the fact that it's going to get warm. And if you want more options, guys, this is where this cool little remote control comes in. You can set 6 temperature levels starting at 95 degrees Fahrenheit going all the way up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's pretty warm. The heat kicks in almost instantly, and you know what, guys, don't worry, because you know what, even at the highest setting this blanket stays safe. You also get a handy timer that enables you to set the timer from 2 to 10 hours, which, you know what, that's perfect if you want to go to sleep with it, have a nap or whatever, and you want it to automatically turn off, you can. And this cool little remote control will display exactly how much of that time is left. This Jartoo blanket is also pretty practical. I mean, it's machine washable, but just remember to zip up the cord compartment first. And the blanket measures 60 by 50 inches, which, you know what, that is more than enough for one person, or you know what, nice and cozy for two. And guys, for those of you that like wrapping up in a blanket, you know, like some people like to walk around wrapped up in their blanket, well, it's got buttons on the side, so you can wear it like a poncho. And that's pretty cool. And guys, power consumption is pretty reasonable. Only 70 watts on max heat. So you know what? Whatever your reasons for thinking about a heated blanket, whether you want the ultimate in comfort with fast heating and fast heat distribution, or maybe it might be for like pain relief and, you know what, using its far infrared heat technology, or it's for the health conscious who want something that's kind on the skin. And let me tell you, this is soft. Couple it with 24 volt low voltage and no electromagnetic radiation, and you know what, this Jartoo has it all. So guys, there you have it. Have to say that after testing this blanket for a while, I'm pretty impressed. The heating is quick and even, the build quality is really good, and the extra features like the timer, the remote control, the fact that you can pop it in the washing machine, the blanket, not the remote control, it's definitely a plus. So guys, if you're looking for a heated blanket that actually works well, this is worth considering. And guys, at the time of this video going live, like I said, it's on Kickstarter for an introductory price of only $159. And you know what, guys, I will leave those links in the description, and if there are any further discount codes, I will leave them there too. And if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. If you like the video, guys, please give it a thumbs up. It really makes a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Jartoo for sending me this very cozy blanket to review. Guys, I'm Dave with Scenes Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.